Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am reviewing the all new Suzuki Brezza Top ZXi Plus variant. So this is the red color you are looking at. So the Brezza costs 15.70 lakhs here in Karnataka, which is the on-road price I am talking about. 15 lakhs 70,000, which is the on-road price of the Brezza Top ZXi Plus variant. So Brezza comes with a 1.5 liter engine, which is mated to the 5-speed manual gearbox, dual VVT 1.5 liter K15 C series engine, 1.5 liter engine. And Brezza comes with a warranty of 5 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier. So here you are getting the dual LED projector lights, you can see, and the projector fog light also. And coming to the wheels, you are getting the 16-inch precision cut alloy wheels. So I will just show the car in the 360-degree view now. So this is how the car looks from the side profile. And this is how the car looks from the back side angle view, you can see. So LED tail lights, just have a look at it. So if you want to see the complete review of the Brezza, I will leave the link in the description. You can just have a look at it. So this is a very quick review and the test drive video. So this is how the car looks from the side angle view. So coming to the interiors, we will just explain the interiors so quickly. So this is how the Brezza looks from the outside. So here there is a height adjustable and reclining knobs also for the driver seat here. And here you can see you are getting the black dashboard with a brown insert here. That is the dual tone dashboard, brown and the black color. So this is the 9-inch HD Smart Play Pro Plus infotainment system with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. And here you can see the instrument cluster with the MID. And this Brezza also has heads-up display. So you can see the heads-up display here. And this is the 5-speed manual gearbox. One-touch automatic system, AC system is there. So wireless mobile charging pad is also there. And center console, two different size cup holders are there. And parking brake with the chrome tip. Driver armrest is also there. And the sunroof is also there in the Brezza Top ZXi Plus variant. You can see I'm opening the sunroof. So this is the auto dimming IRVM, and this is the passenger side sun visor with the mirror, and light is also there. So this is the driver side sun visor with the vanity, no mirror is there. The ticket holder is there here. So back side you have the rear seat armrest is there. And coming to the back cabin, so this is the back cabin. So here the armrest is there with the cup holders. 3 adults can comfortably sit here. And the rear seat armrests are also there, you can see. And the 2 USB ports are also there. So all seats are having the adjustable headrests. You can see it here. And this is how the Brezza dashboard looks from the outside. You can just have a look at it. And the sunroof you can see. So I will just take this Brezza Top ZXi Plus variant to the quick test drive. And we will see how is the throttle response, how is the initial pickup in the low end, mid range and the high end. And I will also tell you the stability in the highway at higher speeds. So let's go to the test drive. So friends, let me take this to the quick test drive. So here is the push start button. Traction control is enabled. Wearing the seat belt. So you should always wear the seat belt. You saw the Cyrus Mystery Benz crash. So always wear the seat belt. In the first gear, so AC is in the auto mode. So sufficient amount of power is there in the low gears like the one and the first and the second gear. So mid range is also very good. So the car pulls really good at low gears like the first, second, and third. So some bumps are there here. Suspension is on the bit firmer side, but it absorbs the bumps and the shocks really good. I'm joining the highway now, and let me pick up the speed. You can see the HUD here, the heads-up display also. So it is displaying some of the information. You can see. So in the fifth gear now. So I'm going at like 130, 120 now. So I'm picking up the speed now. At 120 now. So the car feels really stable at higher speeds. The steering wise also really good. So there is no lightweight steering wheel or lack of confidence like that. So you are getting that very high confidence while driving at higher speeds. I'm at 140 now in the all new Brezza 1.5 liter petrol engine. So brakes are also very responsive. You can see I am braking now, applying the brakes. The brakes are really good. Even at higher speeds, it is able to control the vehicle really good. And the steering also weighs decently well at higher speeds. And the car also feels very planted to the road and just glued to the road. So there is absolutely zero body roll. Now again I am picking up the speed at 150 now. Yes, at 150 now. So car is really stable at 150. So 150 now, 155 now. At 160 now, you can see. And here is a curve is there. So let me just check the steering. So the steering weighs decently well, and you are getting that confidence in the curve also. I am going at like 135 in the curve here, you can see. So the curving also feels very stable in this car. At 135 in the curve, you can see. So the Brezza feels very stable at higher speeds. So you are absolutely getting that confidence while driving in the highway. So let me just turn on the AC and let me just further pick up the speed. So the AC is off now. So the AC is off. I am picking up the speed now. I am going at 135, 140 now. I am just flooring the accelerator at 140 now. So here is the curve. I am still at 140. So car is very stable even in the curves at 140 km/h. At 145 in the curving, you can see. Now I'm again applying the brakes. The brakes are really responsive. So I hope this video is helpful for you if you are planning to purchase the Brezza, any of the variant like the VXI, ZXI, any variant. So very stable even in the highway at higher speeds. So I will also leave the showroom numbers uh, in the description, also in the video. You can contact them for the sales inquiry or if you want to purchase the vehicle. So thank you for watching the video.